day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Mylene Albino Calibo. I'm 37 years old. I'm married. I have one child, ages 5 years old son. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the 4th child of my family. I'm college graduate at took Associate Hotel Restaurant Management, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as domestic helper in Saudi in 2 years and 1 month with 6 members with couple, 3 children, and assist for bedridden. I do household like cleaning, ironing, drying, sometimes cooking, sir. And also I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong with 4 members with a couple with 2 children, ages 2 years old son and 4 years old daughter. I do household like cleaning, sometimes cooking, marketing, and my duties and responsibilities taking care of my children, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will always securing the safety net of the baby. If sick, I seek temperature. If sick, I call my employer, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and a responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to go abroad for my family, especially for my child, and for financially stable in the future, sir.
If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My parents, and my husband, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening after my work is done, and I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and calmer with dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I'm an extent as needed, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. But I'm willing to more, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
The wheels, yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. I hope you select me as your domestic helper. I am hardworking, responsible person, and I promise you to serve your family as my best. Thank you, sir.